Oh yeah, I'm watching Angels. Angel has fallen. Part of the Olympus Fallen, London Fallen series. But this is amazing. Michigan was snowing earlier, then it was sunny, and now it's hailing. She can't make up her mind unless those megalomaniacs upstairs are influencing the clouds with stratospheric aerosol injection or solar management, other known as HARP technology, weather modifications, that been going on since the 1970s. You guys should do your research. The global community made a law against weather manipulating technologies during wartime.